some robots in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, all 4 robots spring to action. They've all scored something onto the field now. Warbots working on setting up those specimens for the Blue Alliance. Wormgear Warriors scoring their 3rd and possibly 4th yellow sample into that high basket. Their alliance partner, Wildcat Robotics, they've got 1 red specimen scored. Howe had possession of 2 samples at that point in time.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Big score for the Blue Alliance with all of those specimens on that high chamber thanks to the Warbots. And now Howe is working on collecting and scoring those yellow samples all the way up in that high basket. Wormgear Warriors are doing the exact same thing for their alliance. They've already grabbed their 2nd yellow sample out of that submersible, and they're going on up there. Warbots working on stockpiling all those blue specimens for themselves. We've had 35 seconds so far in this match. Howe is going up and scoring again in their high basket. Wildcat Robotics working on moving around over by that observation zone. The Wormgear Warriors continue to work for the Red Alliance, scoring another yellow sample all the way up in that high basket. Howe collecting with their dual wheel intake from that submersible zone, trying to go and score. They're putting their samples into the net zone on the ground. Their alliance partner, Warbots, is placing and working on placing all of those specimens onto the high chamber. And just a bit earlier, they slid all of those specimens over to the far side of the chamber so they have a better shot at quickly scoring. Wormgear Warriors have already scored 12 yellow and red samples into their high basket, and they're working on doing more as we get into the last 30 seconds of the match. Their alliance partner, Wildcat Robotics, looks like they've decided to park their robot in the observation zone. Howe working on deploying their ascension mechanism. Their alliance partner, Warbots, lining themselves up. With just a few seconds left in the match, we're going to count it down. 3, 2, 1. And that is the end of qualification match number 14 over on the Solomon division.
To Solomon, match 14 results are finalized. That match won by the Blue Alliance. The final score there, 212 to 203.